Okay, so I wanted to show you on Seesaw how a student can go back and fix their answers, or they can try an activity again for a better grade, especially after it's been retaught. So when a student's on their Seesaw homepage, they will go to activities, and if the activity's already been accomplished, they can go to, if I send it back to them, it would be in progress. If it's already been approved, they'd go to done and just find the assignment they want to fix. So as an example, I know this student specifically wants to fix their rounding numbers practice. So to see their original assignment, they could click the assignment and they would see their original post with their grade. So maybe they don't want that grade. So what they would do is they would hit that button that says respond again underneath. So it says done, but they can respond again, especially if they want to fix their mistakes. And if they hit respond again, it'll open up the file once again, and they can retry using the new skills that they have. And I'm going to just delete and start over because I'm not that student. All right, good luck.